We are on our way to Scotland. You've just put in about 175 miles this evening. It's pretty late now and we've stopped off near Warrington. So we're going to get our heads down, up nice and early in the morning to do the last leg of the journey. We've got about 4 hours to go and our first stop is going to be Loch Lomond. So we are super excited. We've got 10 days in Scotland. We're thinking of touring around the west coast, but anything could happen. We've got the freedom of the road.
The adventure starts now.
Exciting.
Right, we will catch you in the morning where we're up fresh and early and we'll be hitting the road. And guess what? You're coming along. It's about 8 o'clock. We've just literally just woke up and we're going to get on the road because we need to get to Scotland.
Welcome to Scotland. First stop, Loch Lomond. Very, very beautiful indeed. We had a few snowstorms on the way. Really great to finally be here. So we're going to keep on moving and see what else we discover.
Is in a stream. The ocean called for you and me. Still, I'm in this game, but without my closest friend.
I think I always wanted, I always wanted to be a nomad and kind of travel, but I think fear stopped me from doing a lot of stuff. I always kind of just stayed in one place and kind of made that base and would not move from that.
Well, I remember when I met you on that first day and we sat on the beach and had fish and chips and I talked to you about travelling and I was like, oh, have you ever travelled? I would love to travel. And you said, no, I'm happy here in Torquay. I've got everything I want. I've got Dartmoor down the road. I've got the sea here. Why would I need to travel? And I remember my heart kind of sank at that point because I thought, oh, I really
It's because
would.
I felt safe and secure, and like I said, I think there is an element of fear about kind of, just breaking free and going for it.
Fear, it's leaving now. I waited here but nothing came.
I've been out flying my drone, I've been doing time lapses, taking pictures, I haven't stopped. And then we had some lovely food. So I think we're just gonna chill out in the van tonight. I'll probably go out and take some more pictures and stuff because I am in my element at the moment, surrounded by all these beautiful mountains.
Can't wait to wake up to this view in the morning. I'm just hoping for a nice sunrise. You never know, but it is really a very beautiful spot we found here. So Scotland has not disappointed.
No, I was blown away driving up from Loch Lomond. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
You were like, this is Scotland.
This is Scotland.
Free, feel free to run, naked once again, and dreams turns into ashes.
Good morning to a glorious Scottish Highlands.
We have been so blessed this morning. It's been clear skies and now the sun has come up and just lit up this valley. The view is just like amazing.
I keep saying I'm going to chill out, but I have not stopped. I've just been buzzing, you know.
You never stop ever anyway.
I know.
It's so beautiful here. The mad thing is you could actually stay here for like days and never get bored because it's like a paradise, but there's just so much more that we want to see. We're gonna have to hit the road.
So, Mrs. Morgan, what do you think of Scotland so far?
To be honest, I am a bit overwhelmed by it. It's so much.
It's very beautiful.
It is just epically beautiful, and I keep saying that. I don't even know if epically is a word that even exists, but I'm saying
used
it.
the word epically and you told me off
Yeah,
for
but
it.
how else can you describe this? Epically just is the only word that feels appropriate.
The weather has been so amazing. That's why it's nice to have 10 days. It's when we went to the Alps, like we spent probably best part of a day, 2 days, just kind of tripping out over the place, and then it sinks in and you realise that it's a beautiful place and you can start to enjoy it.
Yeah, I hope so. I mean, without a doubt, I can say at this point that this is definitely the most beautiful place we've been in the van.
Yeah.
I was going to say the most beautiful place we've been, but then we went on honeymoon to Norway. And
Norway was stunning.
that would be a tough one to beat.
Every mountain range has been so different. Like Norway was amazing. The French Alps was amazing. Swiss Alps. Even like North Wales, there's something special about it all, really.
I kind of feel like I'm cheating on North Wales being here. That's how funny.
Well, as someone suggested, this is a bit like North Wales, but on steroids. So.
Yeah. I think they're probably right.
Good morning from glorious Scotland. It is coffee time, just down by the loch. What a glorious morning it is. Nice evening last night. Just chilled out in the van and watched a documentary, 180 Degrees South, which I highly recommend. Ellie fell asleep after 5 minutes. But yeah, really good documentary about these guys. Well, this guy that goes back to follow a trail that these two guys done in the 60s to Patagonia and climb this mountain. Really good documentary, so recommended. This morning we are going to just have some breakfast and then we're going to probably head up to Fort William, use the showers there at the train station apparently, so B from the Indie Project is recommended, and then we're going to try and get ourselves up to the island of Skye. Whether we make it today or not, we don't know. It's about 5 hours I would say in Florence, so we're not going to go across the ferry, we're probably going to go up round over the bridge, but we'll see. I mean, the beauty of this trip is we don't have any kind of set time or destination. We just go where the road travels, and if we like somewhere we stop. So that's how we're going to roll today.
Lots of people really worry about the fact that we don't have a shower in our van, but the truth is we don't need a shower. There are facilities everywhere, like this train station. There's a whole list of other places with public facilities. There's leisure centres where you can pay a small fee. Even campsites will let you use the showers for a small fee if you ask.
They said, we knew you were coming, so they've made it all beautiful for us, but we do have to pay £3.50.
This is the shower at Fort William. Fresh clean towel. You've got a hairdryer there. It's nice and warm in here as well. They've even got shower gel. Looks alright, doesn't it? Time to get clean. But those showers are brilliant. If you're ever up this way, then definitely recommend, you know, with the clean towels. It was nice and warm. I didn't want to get out, to be honest. It was luxury. So we are now all clean and fresh, hitting the road again. Scott's just getting some LPG in the tank. Just arrived at Neast Point Lighthouse. We actually can't see it yet. It must be hiding somewhere in the distance. It's 7 o'clock at night and the place is absolutely heaving. Not what we expected at all, really. So we're not quite sure what to do. Scott's just gone up the hill just to see if he can actually see where the lighthouse is. And yeah, we need to decide if we want to hang around here, because the thing is, it's going to be dark soon, so if we were going to go for an explore, it would have to be tomorrow. And if it's heaving 7 o'clock on a Friday night, God knows what it's going to be like here tomorrow.